Welcome to the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. To get started, you'll need to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Look for one with strong security measures, user-friendly interface, and a wide selection of coins. Next, set up an account, complete the verification process, and fund it with traditional currency. Now you're ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. But remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. When it comes to selling, timing is everything. Keep a close watch on market trends and news events that could impact prices. Don't let fear or greed dictate your decisions. And remember, the taxman cometh. Keep track of your transactions for tax purposes. Common pitfalls: unregulated exchanges, phishing scams, and forgetting to use two-factor authentication. So, stay informed, stay secure, and may your digital wealth grow. That's a minute on buying and selling cryptocurrency. Thanks for tuning in.